We're at 2943 Franklin Street, Denver, Colorado, doing the part 2 of the sewer scope. We originally replaced approximately 75 feet of clay line with Schedule 40 PVC from the corner of the house to the CD tap, which is located at the alley. We left about 9 feet of clay line from our repair to the cast iron, which is right outside the property, the building footprint. We came back and dug that up and replaced the clay line with Schedule 40 PVC. What we're looking at now, my camera's inside the house, right at the AVS, which is the black plastic pipe. I'm gonna pull the camera back to look at our repair. You'll see a small section of cast iron, and then after the cast iron is going to transition into our Schedule 40 PVC all the way to the cleanouts that we installed in the back.